How to use QuickBooks for your e-commerce business. I'm going to tell you how to use QuickBooks for your e-commerce business. QuickBooks helps streamline your finances by syncing your sales, expenses, and inventory in one place. Start by connecting your e-commerce platform like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy directly to QuickBooks Online through its built-in integrations or third-party apps. This automatically imports orders, tracks income, and updates your inventory in real time. Set up your chart of accounts to categorize revenue, fees, and shipping costs accurately. You can also connect your bank accounts and payment processors to reconcile transactions quickly. Use the dashboard to view profit and loss reports, track taxes, and monitor cash flow without the manual guesswork. QuickBooks simplifies bookkeeping, making it easier to focus on growth while staying financially sharp. Whether you're selling 10 products or 10,000, it keeps your numbers clean and ready come tax time.